Hi, this is June 2019 paper 1H. We'll start off with the fractions question. Well, the first thing we've got to do is make this into a top-heavy fraction. So that makes it 14 over 3 divided by 10 over 9. Then we're going to show how we divide. So we're going to write that way around. Now, I would cancel at this stage. Some people would just do times the whole thing out on the calculator. 9 4s are 36. 3 to carry, so it's 126 over 30. I would have said, well, a third of 9 is 3. That's 5. That's 7. So you get 21 over 5. In this one, if we cancel that by 6, we get 21 over 5 of the same. And that gives 4 1/5. So the key things are top-heavy fraction and showing the flipping of the divide into a times. Next one. Graph things. Always be careful with the scale. So we're looking for the fastest section here. So we're looking for the steepest part of the graph. Well, let's take an hour. So in the first hour, she did 1 hour to do 15 kilometers. So that's 15 kilometers per hour. And here, well, let's take let's take half an hour. And here she did 6 kilometers in half an hour. So that's 12 kilometers per hour. So, and we should show some of that working. Okay. For the next section, she stayed at the park for 45 minutes. Well, these are each a quarter of an hour, so 45 minutes is 3 squares. And then she stopped at cycle at a constant speed of 16 kilometers per hour. So in 1 hour, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. She did 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that takes us to there. Have a ruler. And so we'll do that as accurately as we can. It looks like she's getting back then. Okay. So we show that on the distance time graph. And then work out Janel's average speed in kilometers per hour for the complete journey to the park and back, and not including the time she stopped. So on this section, she cycled for 1, 2, 3, 4. She cycled for an hour. And she did 15 kilometers. On this section, she cycled 1, 2, 3. She cycled 45 mins. And she did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 kilometers. And on this section, she did all 24. And it took from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it took 1.5 hours. So altogether, that's 1, 2, 3 hours 15 minutes, which is 3 1/4 hours, and she's done 48 kilometers. So using speed equals distance over time, we're going to do 48 divided by either 3 and 15/60, and I'm going to do it that way, or divided by 3.25. So 48 divided by, and I'm going to use the shift yellow button to do 3 and 15/60 equals 14.8 kilometers per hour. Whichever way they write it, I think most people write it like that. I'll have a break there.